What if your fashion school could be completed in 30 days without leaving your home? Would cost only $19 and would transform you into a highly skilled professional. From drafting your first pattern to your own high-end fashion collection. No more boring theory, only practical techniques and tools. Sounds too good to be true? That's why we created Corset Academy, the learning experience like no other. Real-time video tutorials, sewing patterns, pattern alterations software, and the never-revealed-before secrets of Haute Couture fashion houses. Join thousands of our students around the globe on the way to your dream. If you want to become a professional wedding and evening fashion designer, click on the link below right now and try it for free.